If your question is, what is the six-figure blueprint? Then let me explain it to you. So we have a suite of 4 digital products, a $50 package, a $150, $300, and a $600. And obviously the $600 is going to have more information, more teachings than the $50, but the products themselves teach you how to do digital marketing. So the $600 package will teach you how to do all the digital marketing on the social platforms, as well as teach you how to create your own digital product to sell, and also to be an affiliate for other companies and other products. Product is great for anybody who has an existing online business or even a physical business that they're looking to scale and get more sales and get more reach for, as it teaches you how to do the digital marketing, not necessarily for the blueprints, but for any product or service. It's generally for digital marketing and learning how to do that. So you can take the product and plug it into any existing business or scenario. If you don't have an existing business and you would like to make money, you can resell the product itself. You get the resale rights when you purchase it in order to get 100% profit on the sales that you make. And so again, this is good for anybody who has a business, but then it's also a great launch pad for anybody who doesn't. So you can use this to learn while you're earning, because you're selling the product and you're helping other families. The thing about promoting the product itself, the six-figure blueprint, is that there's no tech skills required. The website is provided for you. All of the email automations are provided for you. There's support, there's tech support, there's a whole community that you get, as well as the teaching in the product. There's more teaching in the community. I'm on a mission to help other moms out there that are looking to add to their income or even replace their income, and be able to do some traveling and to spend some time with their kids and to do the things that they can't do currently because of time restrictions or money restrictions. So if you would like to learn more information about the six-figure blueprint, type 1 below and I'd love to share the information with you.